Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about viewing your data on grid. So let's see how you can do that. I'm just going to select a workspace from my workspaces panel. Here you can see that I have various worksheets, and right here, so let's say I want to view my data for machine database worksheet. So right here you can see this option of an eye in a red circle. So this is the option for data view. So when I click on that, I come to my view mode, data viewing mode right here. So I'm going to show you a few cool things that you can do with viewing data on your grid account. So let's get started. Let me start with showing you how you can apply and remove filters. So right here on these cells you can see the option of filter and sort. So this is the option for filter and this is the option for sort. Let's get started with filters first. So if I want to apply a filter, let's say I want to apply a filter to my machine category, I'm just going to hover over it and I will see this option. So I will click on this option, and let's say I want to view the machine category only for extruders. So I'm just going to click on that. Once I'm done, I'll click on the tick mark. So now you can see that my data has been filtered and I'm viewing data as I required to view it. Like I applied filters in a very similar way, I can remove them by simply clicking on this cross icon here or by resetting my data from here. So I'll just remove this from here and I'm back to my original data view. Next I'm going to show is sort. So right here again, when you hover, you can see this option of these arrows. This is the sort icon or the sort option on grid. So when you click it once, your data will be set in ascending order. When you click it for the second time, your data will be set in descending order, and when you click it for the third time, your data will be back to its original form. That's how you can use the option of sort on grid. Next we are going to be looking at freeze column. So freeze column basically means that when you are freezing a column, then that one particular column becomes static while all other columns are dynamic. So I'm just going to, just to apply your freeze column, you can just click on this freeze column option right here, and let's say I'm freezing my machine name. So I'll freeze this row, freeze this column, and this column has been freezed while all others of my columns are dynamic. In a similar way, we have the option of hide columns. So you can just simply click on hide columns, and let's say I do not want to view my machine category. I'll just click on the visibility icon and disable it. And now you can see that again I have filtered my data and I've hidden the column. And if you again want to view it, you can just click on it again and it'll be back again. The next feature that I'm going to show you is download data. So let's say for example you want to download this worksheet from grid. So I'm just going to click on download, and a CSV file will be downloaded automatically on my computer. So that's another cool feature. Let me show you one last really nice feature, which is the save login view. So let's say for example that I have applied a filter on my machine category, and right here after applying my filter I can see the option of save the view. So save this view basically means that whenever next time you open this worksheet, the first view, your default view for this worksheet will be this particular data. So as this particular data as in whatever you've filtered and whatever you're seeing on your screen right now. So for me, I have filtered it and I've made it the extruder category. So next time when I open my sheet, I will be able to see this view on my screen. So I'm just going to do save view, and I can make it my default view if I want, and if not I can just click on save. So you see that now this has been saved as my new view, and if I want to remove it, I can simply click on this icon and remove the filter, and I'll be back to my original data. I hope this helps in understanding how you can do different things with viewing your data on grid, and I hope you have a great day.